Welcome. We're proud to introduce you to EPIC, a transformative program Brightpoint offers which brings mental health support directly to children and families, where they live, learn, and grow. Early Prevention in the Community, or EPIC, is a voluntary program that provides individual and family counseling, community linkage, and advocacy for children and their families, at school and in the community. EPIC is designed to meet families where they are. By offering therapy in homes, schools, and community spaces, we reduce barriers like transportation, scheduling conflicts, and stigma. Our goal is to make mental health care accessible, consistent, and effective. Therapy sessions can take place anywhere that's safe, private, and conducive to healing. Whether that's a participant's home, a school office, a park or other community setting, or one of Brightpoint's offices. We believe healing starts when we meet children and families in the environments where they feel most comfortable. EPIC clinicians utilize a number of evidence-based treatment modalities that have been validated as effective for addressing mental illness and healing from trauma. These evidence-based approaches include trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy, EMDR, motivational interviewing, and TheraPlay, each selected to meet a child's unique needs and support healing, coping, and stronger caregiver relationships. EPIC services are available year-round to families with children ages 4 through 18 who have a mental health diagnosis and reside in Winnebago County, Illinois. We offer services to children as young as 4 years old because we know that early intervention is key. The sooner a mental health concern is identified and addressed, the greater the chance for long-term success in emotional, social, and physical well-being. Let's hear a powerful example of how the EPIC program is creating real change in the lives of local children and families. John came to EPIC after 6 months of instability and 4 home placements. He struggled with aggression, mood swings, and staying focused at home and school. Through consistent, developmentally appropriate therapy, John learned to recognize the connection between his thoughts, emotions, and body, and to use coping strategies in the moment. His father and school team reported fewer outbursts, better focus, and growing independence. John's progress reflects both the power of trauma-informed care and his own capacity for growth. At Brightpoint, we believe data tells a powerful story. It helps us shape our programs and make informed decisions. Our 2026 fiscal year data demonstrate EPIC's impact. After initial enrollment, approximately 9 in 10 families reported maintained or improved symptoms and healthy functioning, and at least 9 in 10 parents were satisfied with their child's progress. EPIC also received more than 100 referrals and served over 150 participants, reflecting both community trust and meaningful results. Let's hear another success story directly from a parent whose family participated in EPIC counseling services.
Kim's senior year, graduation seemed like an impossible goal. Her anxiety was overwhelming, and the constant medical appointments felt never-ending. Looking back now, I am beyond grateful for the services and support we received. A big part of Kim's success came from the consistency of therapy and the coping skills she learned throughout the process. The impact has extended far beyond Kim. As a family, we have grown and incorporated many of the skills we learned into our daily lives, both at home and at work. My son even has a running joke that says, "Oh, you're about to therapy me," whenever I remind him to take a moment and breathe. Recently, though, he told me he caught himself telling a coworker,
"Maybe you just need a minute to breathe in and out."
Mental health was once a topic that felt taboo, but now it is something we openly discuss and actively apply in our everyday lives. We are incredibly thankful for Brightpoint's EPIC services, your dedication, and the flexibility of bringing therapy to us. Between work, medical appointments, and caring for multiple children, finding time can be difficult, and your willingness to meet us where we were made a tremendous difference. Thank you for helping Kim reach a milestone that once felt out of reach, and for creating a lasting, positive impact on our entire family.
At Brightpoint, we are committed to offering services that are accessible to the children and families who need them. EPIC offers evening and weekend appointments, weekly therapy, and services at no cost to families, removing scheduling and financial barriers to consistent care. Thank you for your partnership. Let's make a difference together.